This old guy DIY video has to do with the preparations I'm making to install a 10-foot dock section. So the dock is flipped upside down right now, and the lady who owns this property asked me if I'd take a look at this. Having never installed a dock, I thought I'd pre-fit everything. So you have the dock section, and then there's a cross member. There's a little bolt hole here. You'll go through this support bracket into here to actually hold the thing together when it's done. And then the cross member, you need a 1/2-inch socket to loosen this one up. You need 9/16 to loosen that one up. So basically the tools I have are a Milwaukee impact wrench with a 1/2-inch socket, 9/16 socket. I have a couple of 9/16 open ends, because after this is installed, then I'll stick the bolt through here and tighten that up by hand. And then these are my twisting tools for the auger. So I'll try the bolt first. If it's too short, I have a piece of 1/2-inch threaded rod, and I'll stick this piece of conduit on the end to give me more leverage. And these are the auger posts that will hold the thing into the bottom of the lake. It's a hard bottom lake, so you go out there and screw it in effectively. Up here on the top, they have a hole to stick that 1/2-inch bolt through, and then just drive it down. So I'll try to sink it about 1 foot. I'll take a level out there with me, and then once I get the posts set up, I'll put the cross member on the posts. I'll level that, then I'll drag the dock section out, set that on there, put those two little 3/8-inch bolts in, and it'll be mission accomplished. Have a great day.